Hi, welcome to another edition of Moms on the Go Freelance blog. Today in our tutorial section of the blog, we are going to show you how to use Adobe Spark POST. So here's the Spark POST right here. We're going to click on it. In Adobe Spark POST, you can make pictures like clip arts. You can make, you can jazz up your pictures, or you can make something for that goes on your Instagram post. You can make movie posters. You can do various things like that. You can either make animated pictures, or you can make just normal pictures. They have a bunch of templates already pre-made that you can use. All you have to do is go on your phone or whatever and use your picture. You can add a picture there, and we're going to show you how to do that. So again, Spark POST, it has a black around it with the yellow. I am using an Android phone, so I know if you go to the Play Store, the Google Play Store, you can find the Spark POST app there. So I don't use the paid version. There is a free version and there's a paid version. So I'm using the free version for the Spark POST. The only difference is when you use the free version, you're going to have a watermark put at the bottom of your page. So I'll go here. We're going to go to the bottom. We're going to look under My Post. And we're going to see one of the books that I made. And I use it. It has SP Adobe Spark. So there is the watermark that's going to be on your anything that you make, your book covers, your whatever you're going to make to put out there on social media for Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, your website, your YouTube. You can make your own clip art for that, or what's it called? I got out of it. So let me go here back to the when you click in, this is what you're going to see. So here are all the featured templates is here. And when you see the little yellow thing on the template, that means if you're going to use it, then you have to pay for it. You can't use the premium, and they're called premium services. So these are all the premiums. So they're locked. So you can't use it. You see that upgrade to remix this template. So if you don't have a premium, then you're going to just need to use any of the templates without the little yellow thing in the top right corner. So like, for instance, that one, it doesn't have anything, and you can remix this template, so you can use that as well. So today what we're going to do is make a movie poster, and we're going to show you how that is done. So let's just go over and watch the other, look at the other options we have. So next to premium, we have different animated tools. We have collage templates, seasonal templates, lifestyle, business, school, travel, food, craft. So lots of templates that you can use that are pre-made, and then that way you can grab your own pictures on your phone or whatever you want to use, and you could just rework them with whatever format you want to use. So again, today we're going to do a poster. So what I'm going to do is normally I would be sure what this. Oh, search templates. There you are. So I'm going to click movie. I'm going to type in movie poster. Okay. And so I'm going to search that up. And all of these templates come up for the movie poster. Okay. So you can use any of these to make your movie poster. So the movie poster that I am going to use, in most of these, it looks like you're not going to have to pay for, which is really good. I don't see any the premium logo on there. So let's find one that I want to use, and I'll show you how to make your poster. And that way, when you have your poster, you can either go out on IMDb, or you can put it there if you've already made a movie. Let's say you are a writer, producer, director, or filmmaker, and you just want to make a quick movie poster to put it out there. You can take a still from your movie, and you can go and you can put it out there, and for temporarily you can use it, or you can use it as your permanent poster, because all of them are like really good. I'm just trying to find one that I used before that I really liked. And I want to try to use that one. If I don't see it, oh, this one. So this is the one we're going to use. So again, it says at the bottom, remix this template. And there's a pretty little girl on here, and there's nice writing and all that. So what you do next is you do remix this template. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to basically edit everything on here that you want to edit. Some things I'm going to leave the same, but I'll show you how to edit anyway. And then that way you can, you know, edit it and take things off, put things on or whatever. So the first thing that I'm going to do is you click into the actual photo or picture that's there, the template. And when you click to the picture that's there, you see there's options. It says edit, adjust, looks, enhance. So we're going to go back to the edit, and I'm going to click the photo again. And what I'm going to do is there's an info here. If you do info, that gives you, oh wow, I said beautiful. She's a beautiful girl. It says beautiful blonde, and that's the name of it. Source, Pixabay, and that's where the picture came from, I'm assuming. So we're going to click that because we're not going to use that. You can use replace or delete. So we're going to replace that photo, right? So here's a bunch of photos here, a bunch of in our gallery, free photos that you can use, right? And there's woman in the field, or if you don't want woman in the field, just put woman. A bunch of different pictures go back up there, and we can do field again. And there's our woman in the field. If I wanted that one, I could change it to that one, but I'm going to use a personal one. So I'm going to go over here at the bottom where it says free photos. You look to the right and you see gallery. So we click on gallery. And these are some of the photos that I have. I'm going to click on that one, right? That's my daughter, and that's a movie that she filmed. And there's a little boy that was in the movie with her, and his name is Grant. So I really like this one. So then you just kind of put your finger on it and you just move it around to adjust it the way you want. So he was kind of off the page a little bit, but I'm going to scroll over there and just push it like that, right and left, and it's placed. So I like it the way it looks. So I'm going to click done. If you were not done, you still click on it. You can adjust. You can nudge it. You can rotate it. You know, whatever, whichever way you want. I'm not going to rotate it. You can change the look. You can make it like that and, you know, just have the normal picture. You can grayscale it. You can darken it. You can make it vivid. You can lighten it. So we're just going to go with the black and white, the grayscale. Because this is a movie about, it's going to be called Eye of the Hurricane, or it is called Eye of the Hurricane. So we're going to click in there where it says she. And then now what you're going to do is you see these boxes. It says edit, delete, duplicate, or select multiple. So what we're going to do is we're going to edit this, right? The writing. So we click edit, and there is the word she. So the movie is entitled Eye of the Hurricane. Okay, so I'm going to put hurricane. I'm going to do it like that. Okay, the word. Okay, and then let's see how this looks. So click, and let me click there. I don't need. Okay. So then there's something there not to click it. So I'm just going to exit and leave it there. So that's how you would change that. And then you click there and you would edit, and you can change all the names in there. And so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to try to do it. I don't know if it's going to let me. Let's just say Wendy Mott. See if it. So it let me put her name in there, right? I just had to click on the click the right second. So let's go ahead and change in now showing. How about that? Now showing. Is you're going to press download again. X.